Yeah, Josh, you know, I was crazy. The fight was going on and there was stuff happening, and he sent me a huge text, you know, and his text sounded a little bit like retirement, which I don't ever mess with guys when they talk about retirement, but might be a little premature for Josh too. I think Josh is still one of the most talented guys out there. He fought a beast who was ready to go tonight, and Josh hurt him tonight. Josh hurt him, and you know, I love Koscheck. I love that kid. I love the way he fights. I love his attitude. Guy gets booed out of the arena every time he comes in, but he still goes in and fights his ass off. And he's a tough kid. And he's a you know, when you're standing in the octagon, you're looking across, and Josh is standing there. You know you're in for a fight.
So while some people would get cut after 3 in a row, you're leaving it up to him, or?
I'm leaving. You know, I got to talk to him and see if that was a retirement text that he was sending me. Listen, and people are going to say what they're going to say. I got a soft spot for the season 1 guys, you know.
You walked into the cage after that fight, and you did have a moment with Josh.
Yeah.
Can you share what
I never
you said?
do that, you know, and you know, I was worried about him because he got knocked out bad. You know, I just wanted to go in and make sure he was all right.